Good morning students, welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. In our previous video we learned about declarative and interrogative sentence. We can change a declarative sentence into an interrogative sentence by changing the order of words. So just we have to change the order of words and then we can make declarative to interrogative sentence. We can change declarative to interrogative sentence by using helping verbs like am, is, are, was, were, will, can, etc. Okay. Now let's see exercise G. Change the following declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. So what we have to do? We have to just change the order of words. You can see. You can help me fix this tap. So changing this sentence into interrogative sentence. So it will become, can you help me fix this tap? Question mark. So in declarative, you can help me fix this tap, and in interrogative, can you help me fix this tap? Question mark. Second one, the driver is parking the car. So the answer is the driver parking the car? Question mark. So first helping verb first, then subject. Is a helping verb, then the driver is a subject. Is the driver parking the car? Question mark. Third one, the puppy will chew on the shoe. So what is the answer? Will the puppy chew on the shoe? Question mark. Meera is reading a book. So what is the answer? Is Meera reading a book? Question mark. Then fifth one. They are looking at the butterflies. There is a subject and are is a helping verb. So in interrogative, helping verb come first, then subject. So are they looking at the butterflies? Question mark. Sixth one. Sumit has bought a cycle. So the answer is, has Sumit bought a cycle? Question mark. Seventh one. Rolf can lift this heavy box. So the answer is, can Rolf lift this heavy box? Question mark. 8th. Salu will arrive tonight. So the answer is, will Salu arrive tonight? Question mark. Okay. Now exercise H. Change the following questions into statements. So what we have to do in this exercise? In this exercise also we have to just change the order of words. You can see first one. Will you go to the market today? Question mark. So the answer is, you will go to the market today. Full stop. Okay. Second one. Has Sam written the letter to his sister? Has is a helping verb and Sam is a subject about whom we are talking. So the answer is, Sam has written the letter to his sister. So Sam subject, then helping verb has. Sam has written the letter to his sister. Full stop. Is somebody jumping on the roof? So the answer is, somebody is jumping on the roof. Full stop. Okay. Fourth one. Can Rima bake a cake alone? So can is a helping verb, then Rima is a subject. So when we convert it into statement, Rima come first, subject come first, then helping verb. Rima can bake a cake alone. Full stop. Were you studying in my room? So the answer is, you were studying in my room. Full stop. Is that a hornbill? question mark, and the answer is that is a hornbill, full stop. Should he call before coming, question mark. So the answer is he should call before coming, full stop. Were they singing a song, question mark, and the answer is they were singing a song, full stop. Okay students, so exercise G and exercise H you have to complete in your book as a homework. Okay, thank you.